guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today we are with the third episode of Modal Paper. Of A1. So here we will be discussing the third modal paper for A1. I hope you have watched 1 and 2. So I will be putting the link of 1 here, and again one like for the 2 modal paper I will be putting the links here and here. So please do watch it. And guys, let me tell you, if you are not practicing with these modal papers, then guys, you are just wasting your time. It's a perfect time. It's the best solution to practice your A1 if you're planning to give A1 exam. If not, then we will be coming with the A2 series also, I think so, from next Saturday. So please stay tuned, because every Saturday at 7 PM you will be watching modal paper on German Gyan YouTube channel. So please stay tuned. So guys, we hope you wanna practice. And guys, before starting the video, let me just tell you, if you are planning to start your German language, then you know what you have to do. This is a WhatsApp number. Just WhatsApp me right now if you want to enroll for German language courses A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, online or offline. We are available for teacher training program. Yes, we are available for exam preparation per module, exam preparation per module brush up, all the levels brush up, each and everything at just one stop solution, which is German Gyan. So guys, what are you waiting? Just WhatsApp us now to know more information and get enrolled with German Gyan. Now, without wasting time, let's get started with the video. And subscribe नहीं किया तो अभी जाके कर दो. Let's start the video.
In the Lesen module, you have 3 tiles: Teil 1, Teil 2 und Teil 3. In Lesen Teil 1, you have to read the Aufgabe from 1 till 5, and you have to put the cross on the answer which is correct. Now read out the first question. The question is, Das Kind von Frau Schmidt ist krank. Now to find the answer, check if there is any word given related to the krank. So you can see in the first line it is written, Ich möchte meine Tochter Andrea entschuldigen, sie hat Fieber und kann nicht zur Schule kommen. In this line, she is clearly saying that her daughter has fever and she cannot come to the school. That means the first statement is richtig. So your answer is richtig. Now read out the second question. The question is, Frau Schmidt möchte die Hausaufgaben wissen. Now, in order to find out the answer of this statement, again look into the brief if you can find a word matching with this question. So you can clearly see a word Hausaufgaben. Now read the complete line and check if the line is giving you the answer or not. The line is, Können Sie mir bitte die Hausaufgabe sagen, am besten per E-Mail. This line is clearly stating that Frau Schmidt is asking for the homework. That means your second statement is also richtig. Next, question number 3, 4 and 5 are for you. First, read out the question and try to find the word which is similar to the question, and then find the answer. And put a cross on the answer which is correct. In Lesen Teil 2, 2 options are given to you. From those options, you have to mark the answer which is correct. So for that, first you need to read the question. The question is, Sie möchten für Ihre Sohn eine neue Jeans kaufen. Now look at the first option, which is www.kidssport.de. What it is saying. Here you can read, Ihr Kind möchte Sport machen. Bei uns finden Sie alles, was Ihrem Kind gefällt. Sportartikel, Spiele und vieles mehr. Okay, so this option cannot be correct, because in this option you are not getting any kind of clothing. So now let's check the second option, what it is saying. The second option is Modische Kleidung für die Kleinen, viele Sondenangebote. So in this option you can clearly see that this article is giving you the option for the purchasing of clothes. That means your option 𝑤𝑤𝑤.kinderwelt.de is your correct answer. Seventh question is Sie möchten in einem Restaurant Fisch essen. Means you would like to eat fish while sitting in a restaurant. Now read out both the options and check which option is giving you the opportunity or chance to sit in a restaurant and eat. So your first point is, or first option is, Essen in angenehmer Atmosphäre, Fleisch und Fischspezialitäten aus dem Mittelmeerraum, Öffnungszeiten täglich 18 Uhr bis 24 Uhr. Okay, and now read out the second option. Second option is Tapas und Company, Lebensmittelimport aus Spanien und Südamerika, Fische und Meerfrüchte, auch online bestellen. Now if you compare both the options, you can see in the first option, which is www.vivaandalus.com, is actually giving you the chance to sit in a angenehmer atmosphere, means in a pleasant atmosphere, and eat fish. That means your option A is correct. Question 8, 9 and 10 are for you. Read out the statement first, then check in both the options which one is correct. Read out the question carefully so that you don't miss any point. In lesson tile 3, a statement is given to you, and to check whether the statement is correct or not, you have to read out the information given in the information box. So for the 11th question, read out the statement. The statement is, Hier gibt es Sprachkurse für Griechen. Now read out the information to check whether this statement is correct or not. Griechische Lehrer in gesucht. Die Volkshochschule sucht ab sofort Kursleiterinnen für Griechischkurse auf allen Stufen. Now if you read this information carefully, you will come to know that they are asking for the Griechisch Lehrer and not for the Griechisch course. Means they need a teacher for the Griechisch course, but for now they are not giving you any kind of course. That means your statement is false. Now read out the statement given in question number 12. The statement is Sie dürfen hier kein Räder abstellen, which means you are not allowed to park the vehicles. Now read in the information box whether this statement is correct or not. So in the information box it is given Räder abstellen verboten, which also means that you cannot park the vehicles over here, which means your statement is correct and the answer is richtig. Question number 13th, 14th and 15th are for you. Follow the same pattern. First, read out the statement and then look into the information box whether your statement is richtig oder falsch and put a cross on the answer which is correct. Schreiben Module. In Schreiben Module, you have two tiles. In Schreiben Tile 1, information is given to you. So you have to read out the information and then a form is given to you. So you have to fill out the information in that form. Now as you can see, in this form some of the informations are already filled for you. Now you have to fill out the information which is not filled yet. So take the help of the information which is given, read out that and then fill the form correctly. In the Schreiben Tile 2, a topic of brief is given to you. So you have to write a brief. But please take care that your word limit is 30 words. That means you cannot exceed more than 35 words in your brief. And as you can see on the screen, 3 points are also given to you. The points are Warum schreiben Sie, Wie geht es Ihnen, and Wann treffen. So this means that you have to include all these 3 points in your brief. So try to write at least one line for each point. Now, as you can see on the screen, now you know how to start your letter. So take care of one thing, that if you're writing a letter to a girl, then write Liebe Anja. But if you are writing a letter to a boy, then write Lieber Max. And do not forget to put a comma after this. And then your sentence starts. But take care, the first letter should be small. Now in this page, first point is already covered for you. You have to start with the second and third point which is given to you. And again, Schluss is already given to you. So you have to write only the second and third point. Expression module. In expression module, you have 3 tiles. In expression tile 1, you have to introduce yourself, and for that a card is given to you on which some points are written to you. For example, Name, Alter, Land, Wohnort, Sprachen, Beruf and Hobby. So while introducing yourself, you have to cover all these points. You can introduce yourself like this. Mein Name ist Anna. Ich bin 27 Jahre alt. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich lebe in Berlin. Ich spreche Deutsch und ein bisschen Englisch. Ich bin Lehrerin. Eines meiner Hobbys ist Lesen. Now in expression tile 2, a card is given to you on which a thema is written plus a word is also written for you. So now what you have to do is ask a question from your partner related to the thema which is given and also the word which is given to you. And you also have to answer a question which is asked from one of the partners. Here are some of the examples given to you, like how you can ask the questions and how you can answer the question which is being asked by you. For example, woher lernen Sie die deutsche Sprache? So for this question you can answer, ich lerne Deutsch am GermanGyan Institute in Delhi. And the next question is, wie viele Bücher haben Sie gelesen, die Sprache zu lernen? So for this question you can answer, ich habe aus 3 Büchern gelesen. And for the last card, you can frame a question like this. Gibt es in Ihrer Stadt eine Schule, in der Sie eine Fremdsprachen lernen können? And you can answer, ja, es gibt so viele Schulen. So like this you have to frame a question and you have to answer the questions. Now for you 3 cards are given. You have to follow the same pattern. Take a card, try to form a question and then also the answer. And if you have a friend who is also learning German, then practice with him or her. In expression tile 3, again a card is given to you on which a image is present. So now you have to discuss this with your friend or with your partner which is there in your exam. Now on the screen you can see how you can discuss this with your partner. For example, können Sie die Tomaten für mich kaufen? For which you can answer, ja, gern. Or you can ask another question. For example, kann ich ein paar Tomaten aus deiner Tasche nehmen? And for this you can answer, ja, warum nicht? Now these cards are for you. Try to frame your own sentences and discuss it with your friends.
So guys, how was the video? I hope you enjoyed the modal paper. I hope this modal paper is also helping you, because we have started this series just to make sure that it will be helping you for the depth preparation. Whosoever is not having that much amount of money which can specifically pay for the exam preparation, then the series are just the best solution. So guys, I hope it is helping you, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep shouting love and keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.